Welcome back to our channel. Cooking healthy meals at home doesn't have to be complicated or boring. Meet the Nuwave PFAS-free steam oven and air fryer, a versatile kitchen appliance designed to make your meals healthier, tastier, and easier to prepare. With its PFAS-free non-stick design, you can cook with confidence, knowing your food is safe from harmful chemicals. Innovative and healthy combi steam oven. Enjoy perfectly cooked meals that retain moisture and nutrients. Nuwave's smart steam infusion technology mimics spritzing to lock in moisture, ensuring meats are tender and juicy with a flavorful, crisp exterior. This versatile oven offers functions like frying, air fry and steaming combo, steaming, sous vide, toasting, and more. 10 to 90% adjustable moisture control. Customize humidity to keep foods moist and tender, whether you're steaming, baking, or roasting. Perfect for preserving the freshness of baked goods or enhancing flavors in meat dishes. Crispy texture with less oil. Get that crispy, golden brown crunch like frying, but without the grease. Nuwave's crispy function delivers a perfectly crisp texture with less oil, giving you healthier, fried results every time. Delight everyone from kids to fitness enthusiasts and older adults with guilt-free indulgence every time. NO bags, NO water baths. Experience sous vide tenderness without the hassle. Cook with hot air and moisture, creating perfectly even textures and juicy results, all without the need for plastic bags or a separate water bath. Achieve bakery-quality crust. Create perfectly baked bread, pastries, and artisan loaves with steam and heat. Nuwave redefines baking by combining crispy edges and tender interiors, just like from a bakery. Chef-designed presets take the guesswork out of cooking. Choose from 120 easy-to-use settings or program your own for tailored, consistent results every time. Precision heat from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Control your cooking with pinpoint accuracy. Achieve everything from slow-roasted meats to fast, high-heat air frying all in one oven. The Nuwave PFAS-free steam oven and air fryer is more than just a kitchen gadget, it's a complete cooking solution. Safe, versatile, and efficient, it helps you prepare delicious, healthier meals for the whole family. Product link in the video description. If the video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.